In the modern successful business, IT forms the backbone of information management. In fact, when computers or networks fail, you lose productivity, operations, and continuity. Let me ask you some questions. How much time do you and your staff waste when your technology lets you down? If a system crashes, how do you get your data back? When staff members try and resolve the issue themselves, might you lose more money through lack of productivity? When you outsource your IT, do you have to wait for the engineer to turn up on site? One more question. When the engineer leaves your site, do you know if it was just the symptoms that have been fixed, or was the root cause identified and procedures put in place to reduce the chances of this happening again? There really has to be a better way. Now, imagine a solution where computer network and server problems are handled remotely or on site. Imagine proactive monitoring that acts as an early warning system, letting the engineer know of an impending problem so that it can be repaired remotely before it affects your productivity. Imagine security, backups, updates, and data storage are monitored remotely to ensure your systems run more smoothly. Then imagine that instead of a nasty bill, you have a fixed monthly support cost so you can predict your finances every month. It's time to stop imagining. It's time to call Computer Technical Solutions and ask about Sentinel. With CTS Sentinel, your IT systems will run more smoothly for longer, and as a result, your staff will be more productive. Problem prevention, higher productivity, reduced cost. Visit Computer Technical Solutions today at www.ctsnww.co.uk.